So if you're a self-taught video editor or you don't feel like going to film school, but you find yourself in this creative space where you're making videos or you want to make videos and you don't know where to start, I recommend books. I have tried to find more video editing books, but these three are the best. The first book you have to read is Story by Robert McKee. I bought this book admittedly because Will Smith said it's the best book to have and you need to read it if you want to be a creator. This is one of these books that you can read all the way through, but you can also just kind of like piece through it and see what resonates and kind of read different sections and also come back and page through it if you need inspiration and creative juices. The second book is also a classic. It's In the Blink of an Eye, A Perspective on Film Editing. So this one's all about editing. It's not just screenwriting and like the whole story. This is much more focused on just editing and the philosophy and wisdom behind how you cut. This one reminds me a lot of Rick Rubin's new book, The Creative Act. The third book, The Art of the Cut, the subtitle is Conversations with Film and TV Editors, and that's exactly what it is. It kind of studies their workflow and how they approach editing. It pulls lots of quotes. There's just tons and tons of examples of how people work. It's also really interesting because it talks about all your favorite movies. Right here is Titanic, which is one of my favorite movies. Story also references all your favorite movies, so if you're someone who loves behind the scenes, you're gonna love these books. Video editing is much more of a tangible skill. You have to just practice it to get better at it, and so reading a bunch of books on it is maybe not as helpful as reading 2 or 3 and then just practicing and practicing and practicing. Other than that, I make videos every 2 weeks, so if you like videos like this, just talking about video editing and storytelling and creativity, subscribe, and I will see you guys back here in 2 weeks.